And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that Parliament, the temple of democracy, is a very important platform for people's aspirations and to strengthen the foundation of developed India. Talking to media outside Parliament before beginning of the winter session, Mr. Modi urged all the MPs to come with maximum preparation to have in-depth discussions on whatever bills are placed in the House. He urged for the opposition's cooperation in the House and said that it is not right for democracy if the opposition's image becomes that of hatred and negativity. The Prime Minister said the opposition is equally important for democracy and it should be equally capable.
कि सदन में सहयोग दीजिए। आज मैं राजनीतिक दृष्टिकोण से भी कहना चाहता हूं कि आपका भी भला इसमें है कि आप देश को सकारात्मकता का संदेश दें, आपकी छवि नफरत की और नकारात्मकता की बने, वो लोकतंत्र के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। लोकतंत्र में विपक्ष भी इतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है, उतना ही मूल्यवान है और उतना ही सामर्थ्यवान भी होना चाहिए।